Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2016 to present Toyota Tacoma. We put a 6-inch rough country lift kit on it, some 20x12 Xtreme Mutter 311s, gloss black with a milled window, and some 33 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires. Now these are Fury's 12 ply. Fury's come out with a 10 and a 12 ply now, depending on which one you want to run with your truck. Whether you're going to haul or just throw them on a Jeep. This truck also has the factory Toyota rails, which I love. I think these are some of the best factory rails you can get. Also some vinyl to make it look like one giant window, and a integrated, which I don't know if you should tell in the beginning, a integrated LED light bar right here in the grill. So the rough country 6-inch lift, got a couple tips. The first one is you have to cut your cross member. You cut 9 inches out of it. You cut 3 inches from the rear control arm mount, and then in between 3 and 12 inches. So you take 9 inches out. If you're hesitant of installing this lift because you might not be able to reverse it, you will be able to reverse it. However, you still will be missing a section of that cross member, but you will be able to put your control arms back on and go back down to your stock ride height. The next tip that we have is your carrier bearings. Drop shims or spacers. Rough Country supplies these with your lift. Make sure you install them. Do not put the lift on and not install your carrier bearing shims. If you don't, your drive shaft and your drive line will have a vibration in it and it will just feel altogether terrible. Besides that, when you drop your diff, you kind of have to finagle the breather tubes and their mounts. So our tip is take the breather tube mount and the steel line off of the breather tube, bend it how you need to, and then reinstall it. Rather than trying to get up in there and bend it and manipulate it while it's attached to the truck, go ahead and take it off of the truck, maybe put it in a vice grip, maybe have somebody help you, manipulate it, make the bends that you need to go around the gearbox, and then throw it back in. Otherwise, you're gonna have a real difficult time installing the breather tubes back onto the front diff. And besides that, it's a pretty typical knuckle lift, 6-inch lift from Rough Country. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. And if you want to order any of these parts, please go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. And again, I'm Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.